Hello everyone. Our new lesson is Can Animals Feel and Think? It's an informational text that will show us new details and new discoveries about whether animals um, behave based on their instincts or they really think or have emotional feelings. For most of history, people have believed that animals are totally unlike human beings. A great scholar from the 1600s, René Descartes, described animals as machines, incapable of thinking. In the early 1900s, the scientist Ivan Pavlov performed experiments that led many to believe that animals always acted predictably, so based on their instincts. In recent years, however, scientists have studied animal emotions and thought processes, and of course, they came up with the things that we're going to learn about in our new lesson Can Animals Feel and Think? As we said, this lesson is an informational text, and the new words that we might encounter are capacity. Capacity is the maximum amount that something can contain. Also, we have alliances. The alliances are the organizations or countries that unite together. They make a union. Okay, so the union formed between countries or organizations is called an alliance, and of course, the plural is alliances. Resentment is the annoyance at having been treated unfairly. So when someone treats you unfairly, you have that feeling of resentment. In this illustration, you can see the cerebral cortex in different species. In the bird, the size of the cerebral cortex. Of course, as you can see in the human being, it's the biggest. In chimpanzees, it's also big. Compared to other animals, of course, here the bird, it's too small. Or although in the text, you're going to find out that they will talk about a very smart kind of birds which acted actually as a problem solver. Okay, this bird could solve a problem although it was exposed to this problem for the first time. So, of course, we're going to discuss this in details when we are reading the selection. Ingenious is also a new word that we'll encounter in this selection, and it means clever, inventive, and it also relates to the word genius. When someone is genius, this means that he's very smart. Also, ingenious means clever and is able to invent and create new things.